May mga tao sa buhay natin. Wow! Na akala mo, akala mo lang. Ayun!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
May mga tao sa buhay natin. Wow! Na akala mo, akala mo lang. Ay! Hindi to kailangan i-private. Kailangan itong yan. Char. Kasi sumusobra na sila. Lakas pa ng loob magpakita. Grabe!
Hindi, kasi promise nung nakita ko yung photo na yan.
For the clingy ang person.
Yeah.
Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Nakikita mo naman, di kailangan magsalita pa, nakikita.
Ang daming talakay kay Kyle, lang, ganito, ganyan. Parang, ha? Anong kala niyo kay Kyle? Hindi marunong mag-volleyball? Ganun?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep.
So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, huwag mo naman sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At pakipindutin mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you! Bye!